Hi everyone, my name is Megan, and this is my friend Jessie. Hi! Jessie, what are you doing with those marshmallows?
I'm going to roast them. My family is going camping, and my dad said we can roast marshmallows.
Oh my goodness, Jessie, that sounds so fun.
I love roasted marshmallows. They are so ooey and gooey, and they're really great with cheesy blueberry mashed potatoes. Yum.
Ugh. Well, just be sure to be very careful near the fire. You don't want to get burned.
Oh, I will.
In today's Bible story, God saved 3 men from a very hot fire. Listen to the story. Nebuchadnezzar, the king of Babylon, did not love God. One day, King Nebuchadnezzar made a tall statue out of gold. The king's official gave a new rule to all the people. He said, "Whenever you hear the sound of music, fall to your knees and worship this gold statue." Then he said, "Anyone who does not obey this new rule will be thrown into a very hot fire." So when the music played, everyone in Babylon fell to their knees and worshipped the gold statue. Well, almost everyone. 3 men from Judah did not fall to their knees and worship the statue. They worshipped God, and they knew God did not want them to worship anyone or anything else. These men were Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Some of the people told the king that Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego did not bow down to the statue. The king was angry. He called for Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego and said, "If you do not fall to your knees and worship this statue, I will throw you into a very hot fire." The 3 friends said, "King, we worship God. God can save us from the fire. But even if he does not save us, we will not worship the gold statue." Now the king was very mad. He made the fire even hotter and told some of his soldiers to tie up the 3 friends and throw them into the fire. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego fell into the fire all tied up. All of a sudden, the king stood up. "Didn't we throw 3 men into the fire?" he asked. "Yes, king," his helpers said. "Look," the king shouted, "I see 4 men walking around in the fire. They aren't hurt or tied up. The 4th man looks like an angel." Then the king said, "Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, servants of the Most High God, come here." The friends came out of the fire. They were not burned and did not smell like smoke. They had not been hurt at all. God was with them, and he had saved them from the fire. The king praised God and made a new rule for all the people. Anyone who says anything bad about Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego's God will be punished. Only God can save people from death. Then the king gave Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego important jobs in his kingdom. God saved Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego from the fire. Jesus came to save us in an even better way. Jesus died so we wouldn't be punished for our sin. He was punished instead. When we know and love Jesus, Jesus saves us so we can be with God forever.